Hey everybody, Luxinda here. Welcome back to the loo. We are back. I am back. I am about 3 weeks post-surgery. I get my 50 plus stitches out tomorrow. Can't wait for that. So in the meantime, I wanted to come back on camera and distract myself by making something fun. This is a kit I got from wholesalesuppliesplus.com. We are going to make our own DIY version of the Poo Pourri spray. In other words, this is the stuff you spray into your toilet before and after you produce some odors. And it effectively, I don't think it takes away the odors. I think it masks them. I don't think we're going to get into like ozone filtering things here. I think this is going to be strictly to cover up smells, but that's what we're going to do. So this should be fun. This is listed as an easy project, which is right up my alley right now. Okay, so let's run through the things real quick that we get in our kit. Let's see, we get some glycerin. We get the scent. This scent we're going to use is a combination of orange, cinnamon, and cloves. Sounds wonderful. We get some polysorbate 20. We get some, let's see here, sorbic acid. These are all preservatives basically, so it stays usable. It doesn't go bad. I think one of these things also helps the mix stay mixed, although you are supposed to shake the bottle before you use it each time. And we have 4 beautiful bottles, and we have 4 pump sprays that go with those for packaging things up. So we've got everything, and I've got some extra equipment. You need a couple of bowls, and you need your own distilled water. They're not going to provide that, which is fine. I get it. I have my scale. They list the recipe in ounces, not fluid ounces, but ounces by weight. I am going to do grams just because it's easier for me to understand, I guess. And luckily my scale does both ounces and grams. This is the thing we're going to measure everything into and mix it up. So I'm going to put that on there to start. I haven't made this recipe before. I've done a lot of things with kits from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I think they are a fabulous company. Back when I made my own soaps, I got almost all my ingredients from them. I just love them, and I was glad to be able to go back and get a kit from them. There's another kit coming, but I thought this one would be nice and easy for me to handle today. So this is already set for grams. This is already on there, so it's tared out. So we are going to start by measuring 12.8 ounces or 363 grams of distilled water into here. Almost there. There it is. Wow, that almost the exact right amount. I have more, but that worked perfectly. All right, that is step 1. Step 2, add glycerin and mix well. So now we want 68 grams of glycerin added in here, and then we will mix well. And this says it's 2 ounces. We need 2.4 ounces. So I'm going to start by putting the whole thing of one of these in. They give you 2 bottles, so you have enough. I am going to tear this out. And again, in grams, we are looking for 68. I'm just going to pour this bottle in. That should get us most of the way there. Okay, that's 53. So we need 15 grams more. There we go. Yeehaw. Well, went back to 67. We'll just add a drop more. There we go. Okay, 68. Mix thoroughly. Okay, next up, in a beaker, so put that aside for now. I have a glass beaker because we are going to be measuring the fragrance oil, and fragrance oil eats through plastic. If you just put it full strength into a plastic cup and let it sit for a while, it will eat through it completely and end up all over your counter. So we're not going to do that. We're going to use glass. If you did this all fast enough, it probably wouldn't make one bit of difference. But I have these glass beakers on hand from when I used to do soap making. And I was always pouring the fragrance oil out first, putting it aside while I did everything else. Might as well use these while I have them. Okay, we want 9.1 grams. There we go. Smells really nice. Smells like Christmas. You know when you made those things when you were a kid in school? At least we did. where you take an orange and you basically pierce it with cloves. All right, so we have our fragrance, and now we want to add to that our polysorbate 20, and we want another 9 grams of that. Okay, I ended up with 11, but I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. All right, now we want to mix this up. Okay, and then once it's thoroughly mixed, we add it to the water and glycerin mixture. Now we're going to add in the sorbic acid plus 2 PF and stir well. That is 4.5 grams, so we need our scale back. That on here, tear it out, and now we need 4.5 grams of this last ingredient. 2, 4 and a bit. There we go. So far it has been really easy. Stir well using funnel, measure 4 ounces into each bottle, cut the tube length and apply the sprayers. Label accordingly. We want 4 ounces in our bottle without spilling anything. Two, 3, whoops, a little more than 4. I'm gonna put some back in there. 4, yay! We'll do that. And then this goes into our 4 ounces and screws on. Like that. The cap goes on. And now we need a label. Okay, we're back. We have our 4 bottles. I have made up some very, very simple labels to put on these. I'm using my Nito brand printable vinyl, my favorite brand. This is their white. So we will end up with a white label that will go on our white bottles. It's not very exciting, but you know, I was in a hurry and this is already a very simple project. So I decided to keep the labels simple as well. So let's label them. I should put the ingredient label on the back. I haven't done that yet. I'll do that off camera. Luxinda's Poo Spray, because that's what this is. There we go. 4 beautiful bottles of Poo Spray. I have indeed, you'll want to know, I'm sure, tried this out. I am not doing a video of that. You're just going to have to take my word for it. It does work. It makes everything smell beautiful, like oranges and cinnamon and cloves. Yeah, it smells like Christmas. It's a lovely smell. So if you've made it this far, I want to reward you with a giveaway. Woo! I'm going to give away 3 of the bottles. The one I used, I will keep for myself. The other 3 that have not been used will go to 3 lucky viewers. I am going to just put this giveaway up for a week from now when it publishes on, okay, so this is publishing on Black Friday, November 25th. None of you may see it till later on that weekend, but it'll be running until the following Friday, which is December 2nd, 2022, and then it will be closed, and I will pick 3 winners, 3 different people. Please only enter if you are in the US. I cannot imagine trying to explain to customs people what this is or why I need to ship it overseas. So we're just going to keep it US based. I apologize to all of my international viewers. This is just the way I'm going to have to do it for now. Maybe someday in the future I can ship these worldwide. Who knows? Everything I used here will be linked below from wholesalesupplisplus.com and where I got the scale and everything else I used. I'll list it all below with links so you can buy the stuff either like a kit, like I did here, or separately if you want to go into mass making your own poo spray. And let me know if you do. So to enter the giveaway, please put a comment below. You don't have to like the video. You don't have to subscribe. I mean, you can if you want to. I would love it. It would help my channel. But what you really need to do is put a comment down below, and somewhere in that comment, put hashtag LuPoo, all run together, just like you see it on the screen here. I will pick 3 winners from those comments that have the correct hashtag name in them. I will post the winners sometime after December 2nd on the community tab. And I will also follow up with a reply to your comment in this video down below in the comment section. So hopefully one way or the other we'll connect. I can get your address and I can ship these out to you. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today, and thank you for giving me some time off. I'm glad to be back though. So I will see you next Friday. Stay safe and yeah, see you in the next video.